You don't want to start a new year with the same skincare mistakes that you made in the previous years. Happy New Year, everyone! Welcome to 2024 and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Yes, so guys, I'm so excited to be back here, and it is a new year. Definitely, I have new skincare videos for you guys, and today's video is about skincare do's and don'ts for 2024. 2024 skincare do's and don'ts, because we don't want to come into 2024 with the same skincare mistakes that we were making in the previous years. Okay, so this video is all about that. I'm going to be sharing with you guys different do's and don'ts for skincare do's and don'ts rather for this year, and so that you guys don't be making the same mistakes that you were making or ignoring the things that you were ignoring about your skin. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, guys, just subscribe to my channel, click on the red subscribe button, like my video, and also leave your comments and also share my videos too. Now, the first do is prioritize your sunscreen. It is very important, guys. Sunscreen is very important. I know previous years some people maybe were ignoring sunscreens because maybe they felt like, oh, sunscreens were making them sweat, or maybe the sunscreens they were using were leaving them with a white cast. Well, irrespective of that, it is very good for you to also get a sunscreen that is good for your skin type and good for you. Okay, I've made previous videos on sunscreens, and I'm going to leave the link to those videos on my description box for you guys too. That video will help you, or rather will guide you on the kind of sunscreens to get for your skin type, and also the kind of sunscreens to get that will not leave you with a white cast. Okay, so sunscreens are very important, even if it is winter or it is harmattan or it is cloudy or it is rainy. Irrespective, as far as it is the daytime, you need a sunscreen. Sunscreens are very important, and you should not be ignoring your sunscreens. So you need to actually incorporate sunscreen in your morning skincare routine. This is now the first do, which is incorporating sunscreens in your skincare routine. Now, the first don't is ignoring ingredients in your skincare products. Yes, now this one is very important because most people just buy skincare products and they don't really bother to check the ingredient lists of those skincare products. Now, it is very important for you to do that. If you have not been checking the ingredients of your skincare products, well, you need to start doing that now, because some skincare products might contain ingredients that is not suitable for your skin type, or ingredients that could actually harm your skin. Ingredients like hydroquinone that could actually harm your skin, and maybe if you have a dry skin, the ingredients might contain products that will even make your skin even drier. Or if you have an oily skin, some ingredients in those products can even make your skin even more greasier, so you will not want that. So it is very important for you to look out for the ingredients list of every skincare products that you want to get, so you will not make matters worse for your skin. You will not want to worsen the condition of your skin. Second do is double cleansing. I know double cleansing is something that most people are not familiar with, but it is very important to double cleanse. And I mean double cleanse in the sense that you will have to first of all go in with an oil cleanser or a cleansing balm first to help get rid of your makeup or your sunscreen. Yes, because your makeup and your sunscreen cannot just get, rather your normal cleansing normal cleanser, or rather your normal foaming cleanser, gel cleanser might not do the work of totally or completely removing your makeup or your sunscreen. So you need something that can actually trap the makeup or the sunscreen, melt it away before you now go in with your normal gel cleanser. So it's very important for you to double cleanse, especially if you're suffering from maybe acne or one form of skincare concern or the other, because some people suffer from acne. They make use of skincare products that would help, rather cleansers that help to target those acne, like cleansers that contain benzoyl peroxide. So because of that, if you just go in with your normal gel cleanser that contains benzoyl peroxide, and you have makeup on or sunscreen on, it might not really work. It might not really work for you. So it is very good for you to go in with either your oil cleanser or your cleansing balm first before going in Then after you've applied your oil cleanser, your cleansing balm, you cannot wash it off before going in with your gel cleanser or your foaming cleanser. Now the second don't is overlooking patch test. Now this one is something that even I am guilty of. Now patch test in the sense that when you get a new skincare product, it is very important for you to test out that product first before in a part of your skin before using it for the entire part of your skin. So if I get a cleanser now, and or rather let me see, if I get a moisturizer now and I want to try out the product first before using it on the entire part of my body or the entire part of my face, I will just try it in a particular part of my skin, just a particular side of my skin, watch it and see how it is for maybe like a week or two. Then if I realize that okay, it's not causing me any damage or any harm, I can then use it for every other part of my skin. So it is very important for people to actually perform a skin patch test, especially if you're someone who has a sensitive skin. It's very important for you to perform a skin patch test. Now the third do is stay consistent with your skincare products. Now this is something that most people are guilty of. You have a skincare you start a skincare routine, and because you notice that you're seeing like little changes, you're seeing like visible changes, you then stop using it. You stop because you're already seeing changes. That is wrong, because when you stop, you tend to like your skin hasn't really healed, because those products need to be applied for a longer period of time for your skin to totally get healed from whatever skin concern you are actually suffering from. So once you actually stop your skincare routine or stop those products you are using, maybe you are inconsistent with it, your skin might get back to the way it was before. So it is very important for you to continue it for a long period of time before you can then think of maybe switching products, because some people switch products like in fact every week they switch products. This week you're using one product, next week you're using another product. Guys, it is very wrong. So if you want to even switch products, the product you are currently using, use it for like a month before switching to another product, okay? Because it's wrong if you switch products like maybe like every week or in 2 days. It is very wrong. So just stay consistent with whatever skincare routine that you're doing, because your skin loves a consistent skincare routine. Your skin loves it because your skin will tend to adjust to that routine and then work for you. That is how it does, okay? Third don't is pouring your serum and your oil directly into your body lotion container. Now this is something that most people do. They will take their serum and their oil and then pour it into their body lotion container. This is very wrong. It is very, very wrong, because when you're doing that, you are disrupting the pH of that lotion. You're disrupting it, because that lotion is meant to do something for your skin, and that serum is meant to do another thing again for your skin. Now when you now pour it together, you feel like, oh, if I pour it, it's going to mix up together and it's going to work at the same time. It is very wrong. It's not going to, in fact, it's going to even end up damaging your skin. Doing that can end up harming or damaging your skin, because you would not even get results. You would not get results because it's going to affect the pH of that product. It's going to damage the pH of that lotion. The serum and the oil will damage the pH, would destroy the pH of that lotion and would make it rancid or even harmful for your skin. So the best way to actually make use of your serum and your oil is apply your serum first. After you're going with your serum, you can then apply your body lotion. After going with your body lotion, you can now apply your body oil, not pouring it or mixing it together. No, that is wrong. Don't do that, please. If you've been doing it, you need to stop doing it. Hydration isn't just limited to your skin alone. You also need to hydrate from the inside. You need to hydrate, you don't need to only hydrate outside, you also need to hydrate inside. Hydrating inside in the sense of drinking lots of water is to help your skin stay hydrated. And when you now apply moisturizers, that moisturizer will help to lock in that hydration. So it is very important for you to hydrate both inside and outside. So you need to drink lots and lots of water. Fourth don't is over exfoliating. Now over exfoliation is something that most people do because they tend to use chemical exfoliants, then physical exfoliants, and then they now use charcoal masks and other masks that also does the same thing that both the chemical exfoliants and the physical exfoliants do. Now it is very important for you to just pick one part of exfoliation you want to do, whether you want to make use of your chemical exfoliant or your physical exfoliant, or you want to make use of your facial masks, of your charcoal masks or your exfoliating masks. You cannot, or rather you should not be doing the three at the same time. Exfoliation is supposed to unclog your pores and also get rid of dead skin cells, but when you overdo this, it can actually damage your skin barrier. So it is best for you to pick out the one that you would want to do, and after picking it out, you need to go in with, like, maybe you need to exfoliate twice or 3 times in a week, depending on your skin type. It is very important for you to not over exfoliate your skin. Now the 5th do is use products based on your skin type. Now this is very important. You need to know your skin type. If you do not know your skin type, you need to know your skin type, and I have made a video previously on how to determine your skin type at home. I'm going to leave a link to that video on my description box for you guys to check it out. Now it is very important for you to get products based on your skin type, because that is the only way that those products will work, that you can actually get a good skin. Because if you get products that are not meant for your skin type, you will not be seeing results, and you might even worsen your skin concern. It is very important for you to get products that are suitable for your skin type. The 5th don't is overdoing actives. Yeah, overdoing so many skincare actives. So many people use so many skincare actives at the same time. You use your vitamin C, you use niacinamide, you use retinol, you use tretinoin, you even use your AHAs and BHAs all at once. That is wrong. You need to pick at least 2 actives you can use, one in the daytime and one at night. Yes, do not use all actives at the same time. Okay, don't use multiple actives at the same time. Now if I'm looking out to brighten out my skin and also I'm looking out for anti-aging products, I can make use of my vitamin C serum in the daytime for my brightening, and I can make use of my retinol at night for anti-aging. So it is very important for you to know what you want for your skin and then get actives that are suitable for that thing. Okay, if you are looking out to get rid of your acne, first of all treat your acne first before making use of any other extra extra active on your skin. So that is what I have to say concerning this. Now the 6th do is change your pillowcase regularly. This is something that most people actually don't do. Many people, they don't change their pillowcases regularly. Some use the same pillowcase for a week or even 2 weeks, forgetting the fact that they lay their head on their pillowcases. And when you lay your head on your pillowcase at night, you sweat. Some people, like, that pillowcase can actually harbor so many germs and bacteria which can have direct contact to your skin and which will worsen your skin concern. So it is very important for you to change your pillowcases regularly. And if you're looking out to get a very good pillowcase, you need to get pillowcases that are made of satin or sleek material and not cotton. Okay, so either you get a pillowcase made of sleek or satin material. Now the 6th don't is using dirty makeup brushes. This is something that most people are guilty of. Okay, now if you're someone that does makeup on a regular basis, regularly, you need to clean your makeup brushes before starting out any new makeup that you want to do for the day. You can use alcohol to clean your brushes first before using it, before even allowing you to have direct contact with your face. Then maybe at the end of every week, you can then wash it with a soap and water. You can then wash it with soap and water, because it's not advisable for you to leave your makeup brushes and keep using them unclean every single day or whenever you want to use it, because those makeup brushes can harbor germs which can, when they have direct contact with your skin, can cause you breakouts. For people that actually suffer from breakouts, it can cause you breakouts. I am a witness of this, because this has actually happened to me before. Because of makeup brushes that I used in the past, or rather makeup acids used for me, I then got breakouts. I broke out on my skin. So it is very important for you to clean your makeup brushes regularly. So guys, the last but not the least do is practice good sleep hygiene. Now this is very important. It's very important for you to practice good sleep hygiene, because when you practice good sleep hygiene, your skincare products work better for you, especially the skincare products you use at night. And that is why it is advised that you should actually make use of your actives at night, because that will actually work well for you, because your skin tends to be more relaxed at night and your products will work perfectly well for you at night. Last but not the least don't, which is the seventh don't, is ignoring some parts of your body. Yes, not paying attention to some parts of your body, like your underarm, your feet, your palms, your hands, your neck, your knee, your elbow. Yes, and most times when you ignore it, because of the fact that these parts are ignored, they tend to be darker and tend to get harder. So it is very important for you to also extend your skincare products to those parts of your body. And if it's for you to scrub your feet, massage your feet, apply feet lotions, well, that is good. Also try to apply hand creams on your hand, and also exfoliate your underarm, because at times that place can actually get darker. So it is very good for us to pay attention to other parts of your body. And for your neck, also extend your skincare products down to your neck. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I've come to an end of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you actually enjoyed my video, do so to subscribe to my channel and also like my video, and also leave your comments in the comment section if there are other do's and don'ts that you'd like to also share with us. And also, if you have any video suggestions you want me to make for you, well, that would be nice. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So till then, bye.